Hello students, today we are discussing about the problems based on monotonicity of functions. In this class we are going to learn about the problem f of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1 by x square. We need to find out monotonicity of this function in the intervals, in which intervals it is monotonically increasing and in which interval it is monotonically decreasing. For that we are considering the function f of x is equal to x minus 1 by x square for x greater than 1, and f of x is equal to the same function can be defined as minus of x minus 1 by x square for x less than 1. As the function is to be found, to find out the monotonicity of the function, we need to find out f dash of x. Therefore, f dash of x is equal to finding the derivative of the function in the first case, that implies by using u by v rule, v into u dash means 1 minus x minus 1 into 2x by x square whole square, that means x power 4. This is the case when x greater than 1. In the same manner, by applying the same rule for the second case, x square into minus 1 minus of minus plus x minus 1 into 2x whole by x power 4. This is for x less than 1 case. So by correcting these two and by simplifying, we get for the first case the function is minus 2x square minus x square minus x square minus x square plus 2x whole by x power 4 for x greater than 1. Here x square minus 2x by x power 4 for x less than 1. By common x we get f dash of x is equal to, here we are getting minus of x minus 2 by x cube for x greater than 1, and here x minus 2 by x cube for x less than 1. As we need to find out interval of increase and interval of decrease, we have to plot a number line. For the case x greater than 1, to find out the interval of increase and interval of decreasing, first we consider the zeros of the first expression. The zero of the first expression is 0 and 2. By sign scheme, by applying sign scheme, we are getting minus plus minus. In this interval it is increasing function, it is decreasing after 2. Yes, this happens because f dash of x definition is minus of x minus 2 by x minus 3 whole cube. That means when we are finding zeros, we are getting x square into x. That means by equating to 0, we are getting 0 and 2. f dash of x is equal to 0 implies x minus 2 by x. As it is preceding by minus, we are getting minus, plus and minus symbols. Therefore, and also x greater than 1. Therefore, we can write f is increasing in the interval, throughout the interval, but we are taking only x greater than 1. X greater than 1 case is applied. So, we are considering here onwards the case. Means in this interval it is positive, as the entire interval it is increasing. In particular 1 to interval also the function is increasing, and 2 to infinity the function is decreasing. Therefore, in this case f of x is increasing in the interval 1 to 2, f of x increasing in the interval 1 to 2, and f of x decreasing in the interval 2 to infinity. In this case, in 2 to infinity the function is decreasing, and in 1 to 2 interval the function is increasing. Whereas f dash of x, whereas for the case x less than 1, f dash of x is equal to x minus 2 by x cube. So on the same number line, if you observe, for the case x less than 1, f dash of x is equal to x minus 2 by x cube. For observing the sign change of f dash of x on the number line, we draw the number line. The roots of the function is 2 and 0. Therefore, the sign changes. 2 after 2 it is positive, between 0 and 2 it is negative, and before 0 plus. Why we are getting these signs? Because the function is preceded with plus sign. When the function is in the form of x minus a into x minus b by x minus c, if it is the larger root is suppose a greater than b greater than c, in this case on the number line we are writing a, b, c are the roots. For any x greater than c it is positive, and between b and c it is negative, and b and a it is positive, and it is negative. The symbol changes, sign changes for the given function. In this case, the sign change of f dash of x is calculated. Therefore, the roots of given f dash of x, x minus 2 by x minus 0 whole cube, we can write it. As it is non odd number, the sign changes. If it is even number, the sign remains same. Therefore, by the sign scheme, we are getting sign scheme, but x less than 1 is allowed in this case. Therefore, we are considering 1 between 0 and 1 after applying sign scheme. Between 0 and 1 the function is decreasing, and before 0 the function is increasing. Therefore, f of x increasing in the interval minus infinity to 0 and decreases in the interval 0 to 1. For x greater than 1, we are getting before already f of x increasing in the interval 1 to 2, f of x decreasing in the interval 2 to infinity. And for x less than 1, f of x increases in the interval minus infinity to 0 and decreasing in the interval 0 to 1. Collectively, we can write f of x increases in the interval 1 to 2 and minus infinity to 0, increases 1 to 2 and minus infinity to 0, and f of x decreases in the interval 0 and 1 and 2 to infinity.